Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. I picked up a new board a few weeks back, almost a month, maybe more actually, and I still haven't opened it yet. I was kind of saving it for an upcoming trip in the next 4 weeks. Something big and something exciting that I've been working towards, but I think I'm going to open it now just so I can make sure that there's nothing wrong with it, everything's fine. Surf shop kind of wants me to open it up just to make sure too before I get this thing to where I'm going, and I'm going to end up with an issue or a problem, and I don't need that when I'm a plane ride away. And so we're going to open this baby up, and it's been stored and hiding inside my brand new Dakine bag. Yeah, it's going to be one of 3 or 4 boards I'm going to take with me down here on this trip. I'm going for a couple of months. We're just going to grab the knife and we're going to get into it, take this baby apart slowly and make sure she's good. So yeah, stay tuned. You. Okay, moment of truth. Hank's watching. What do you think? So what we've got here, I've wanted one for a while now, is the Sunday from Machado. I love Rob, his surfing, his style, always have. This is the 6/8 with futures. It's a 2+1 setup on the back end, but for me, because I'm such a single fin nut and twin fin, I've got the single and the set of the big large keels fins to go with it. Six 8 by 21 by 3. I'm happy. I love it. I can't wait to ride this thing. And this thing is super light in my hands. This thing is ridiculously light. Well, I just really love single fin and just cruising and twinnies, and I love the whole retro vibe, as you can see behind me. 70 style single fin, super thick, diamond tail, kind of Australia, late 60s, early 70s inspired. So I love that. I've got a few of those in my arsenal. So if I can ride a single or a twinny, I'm always on it. Okay, that just about does it for pulling that baby out and checking it. Everything looks good. So we can let the surf shop know that we're okay. We don't have any major problems. We'll wait and throw the fins in once we get where we're going. As much as I'd like to wax it now, I'm gonna wait the 3.5 weeks or whatever we got until we leave, and then it can be fresh board, ready to go when we get where we're going. And it'll make everything even a little bit more special for what we've got going on. So definitely stay tuned for that. Yeah, so we'll throw her back in the bag, we'll wrap her up, and we'll get ready and get everything else packed up here to get on out of here. I think we're good for now, and we're gonna go skate. So we'll see y'all later. You.